The very first math to learn is counting. All other math relies upon it. For children, mastering counting should come first, and it is simple and it is fun, especially as parents get to work with young children and infants, as it involves a lot of song and a lot of touch. Yay, bonding. Counting relies on two things: on language and on one-to-one correspondence. When working with infants and young children, these two elements should be practiced together as often as possible. And how? Through songs about counting and touching fingers as you do it. Now, there are many songs available, and you can find them with a quick Google search, but some examples are 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4, shut the door, etc. Or 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, or my personal favorite, 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. As you sing these songs, it's important to make sure that you are touching fingers as you go. This develops the important one-to-one correspondence, which is necessary for mathematics comprehension. Trust me, I've been working with high school students for over 13 years, and one-to-one correspondence is not as mastered as you might want to believe. When your child has the ability to sing along with these songs, it's time to really start drilling down that one-to-one correspondence as much as you can. This is where books come into play. Make sure your home is stocked with a few counting books. If not, any book with a picture can be a counting book. Just ask your child to count things in the picture, like how many birds or how many trees. Watch as they count and point with their fingers. You might find that they struggle with double counting or missing some of the items that they count. You may find that they have interesting patterns or no pattern at all, counting all over the place with no visible order. You can suggest an order for them, or just be patient and simply point out what they missed if they miscounted or double counted, which is an important skill to know how to take correction. Just be patient, be gentle, and enjoy your time together. It's important to celebrate success, so be authentically, and I mean authentically, impressed when your child successfully counts anything. This is a very challenging and important skill, and it should not be taken for granted. Be patient when there is a mistake. Be impressed when there is not. Once your child develops mastery with some one-to-one correspondence, it's time to start moving on to skip counting. Counting by 2s, counting by 5s, counting by 10s, and there are plenty of good songs out there that will help with this skill. My favorite is Schoolhouse Rock, counting by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Plus, it sneaks in a bit of multiplication facts as well, which is not a bad thing. Remember, it is extremely important to weave in language, no matter what language you speak, with one-to-one correspondence, and all mathematics, honestly, and have fun doing it. So remember, be patient and be impressed, and that is how we can master counting.